cartoon animation videos tutorial in Canva. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an animation with Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to this address here. You can see canva.com. Simply search for canva.com and then head over to Canva. So after logging into Canva, here you can see this plus icon at the top left corner, this blue icon. Under that, the text is create, this option here. You can see this option here. Also you can see this search bar right here. So you can either search on this search bar for previously made template by simply searching on animation templates, and then you will get plenty of animation templates from here, as you can see this one or this one. But today I'm going to show you how you can create your own animation. So let's get started. First of all, you have to tap onto this create icon at the top left corner. Then you have to choose your preferred width, like what is your animation for logo, Instagram post, for your story or YouTube thumbnail, or for any presentations. You just have to choose that ratio. For example, I'm going to tap onto presentation right now. Then after clicking onto presentation, at the left corner at the top side here, you can simply see this plus icon. Simply tap onto that plus icon and search up for, firstly let's search up for a good background. Okay, let's search up for hills background. So let's search it up and tap enter, search it up. So there we go. There are some hills background here. As you can see this little crown icon called Pro here. This means that you need a Canva premium icon for using these templates. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you everything for free so that you don't need to spend any money. So first of all, let's choose up a simple background. Okay, let's search for rainy background because it looks much more better. Let's tap onto photos and let's choose a photo. For example, we're gonna use this photo right now. So now let's merge it to the background perfectly. So that's it. This is it. Now let's head over to elements again, then cut this text. Now we have to search out for animation. For example, I'm gonna tap onto rainy animation, just search it up for it, and then you have to go and search up for the animation that you want to add. For example, this ones, there are a lot of animation available. You have to choose one. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. So here, as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can add more animation, and let's add another things. For example, let's add some motorcycle thing. Let's tap onto all motorcycle rider. Okay, now we're gonna add one. For example, we're gonna add this one right here. Okay, let's add this one. You just simply have to tap onto this. Then after tapping onto this icon or this logo, you can see at the top right corner, you can simply look out for animate option. Here you can see this animate. Just simply tap onto animate, and then after tapping onto animate, you have to tap onto create an animation. Also here you can see some previously made animations which you can use according to your need. You can just use them also, but for a better understanding, I'm going to show you how we can create an customizable animation. So let's tap on to create an animation, then you have to choose it up. For example, like this, you have to just choose, then you have to left it. Okay, so that's it. As you can see, this is how it goes. So for now, we are going to delete this path, and then we are going to create animation again. So now we are going to go like this, and let's see how it turns out. So this is how you can create an animation. Now let me show you more pro animation, how you can create. So after clicking onto that animation, you can just add a random animation according to your need. Okay, So let me just of this one. So now you have to tap onto done. Let's create on done, and then we are going to create another page. With that, we're going to add this image again. From here we're going to tap onto animation again, then simply we're going to create another animation. Like here you can see, we're going to just choose normal animation like this, and this is how it looks like. Now we're going to add a background to it. For example, I'm going to add a background. For example, I'm gonna add a background like this from here. Let me add a background. Okay, let's add some photos or videos from here. So let's add this video right here. So now let's add it up and set it to background, for example layer, then send to back. So now let's see how it looks like. So let's see how it looks like. Let's tap onto present and let's tap onto autoplay. Okay, so this is how it pretty much looks like. You can make it more advanced by adding your creativity. Just search up for your creativity. You just have to add them, then you have to tap on to animate. You can animate, then also you can color this text right here. Let me show you. You can color it up. For example, this one here, you can see you can add your brand color if you wish to. You can just customize it according to your need. You can also add images from here. Just adds images, and then you can just animate them. For example, let me show you how you can animate images. Motorcycle images. Let's tap it up and let's choose an image right from here. For example, I'm going to choose this image here. Now after tapping onto this image, as I'm on the free version, so I'm right now I can't use the background remover, so I'm just going to show it you like this. Tap onto animation, then like this. Okay, I hope you understand. You just have to remove the background, or you can just tap onto single back motorcycle images without background, and then you can just search it up, and then you can use it from here. Okay, so that was pretty much it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on to another video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And you can download it from here. You can see this download option. Just tap onto it, then you can choose the file type and you can download it. So that's it. Goodbye. See you on to another video.